Want to up your ponytail game? Well, I've got some tricks for you. Pony number 1. Start by slicking your hair all the way back, making sure it's all smoothed out, and secure your elastic around your pony. Take your comb and lift section by section, and back comb underneath each section to create fullness. Then smooth through your ends. To hide your elastic, you'll take a little piece of hair from underneath, wrap it around your pony, and tuck the end in with a bobby pin. Then spray your pony with a little hairspray. Now you have a sleek pony with massive amounts of volume. Pony number 2. We're going to create some volume up on top before we put our pony in. And then I like to just smooth out my back combing with my fingers. Gives more of a soft, natural look. Okay, now we're going to gather our hair up just loosely. Don't use a comb. Give yourself a nice loose pony. Wrap your elastic around as tight as you can get it, and then pull it down. So go ahead and pull some pieces out, and then you'll reach your hand in and just grab a little bit of hair and pull it out through there to give you some good volume right on top. Then lastly, I like to give it one more tug to get it right on top of the head, and you've got a nice little messy pony. Pony number 3, using clip-in extensions. A great tip to create more volume in your pony is to add clip-in extensions. So you'll start by securing a small pony right at the crown of the head. Next, you'll take your clip-in extensions and secure them around your pony, starting from one end. Once you get your desired fullness, next you'll gather all your hair up into your pony to cover your clips. And voila, you have a nice, long, thick pony with extensions. So now you have more than one trick for your pony. Just don't forget to tag us in your pony pics.